Hi everyone, welcome back to Crafts with Mike, and today, does anybody remember this little thing here? Yes, this was the stag or, I can't remember if it was a stag or deer, Patronus from the Harry Potter craft thing. Well, I have scoured everywhere to try and hunt down Aragog, and I'm very pleased to announce I now have Aragog. Yes, you know I said I really wanted that spider. Well, the Works, what used to be with the Works, and then obviously it's not been in stock for a while. I've looked on Amazon, cannot locate it, and then I came across Vinted, and just by coincidence I typed in Harry Potter and this came up straight away. The seller was fantastic. She wanted £2 for this one and another one that I've got, which we'll see a little bit later down the line. But this is Aragog the spider. So as I said, in here you get the Harry Potter deluxe book and model set. I really would urge people to use Vinted. It's such a fantastic app. You can buy, you can sell. It's brilliant, you know, absolutely fantastic. You can ask the seller for offers, you can reserve things. Perhaps if you can't pay now, you can reserve things and they'll reserve it for you. But in here we get ourselves a little book, and we'll go in here first. As you can see, these are the different ones that you can get. You can get, for more information, www.incredibles.com. I didn't think of looking that, but anyway, I got a cheaper deal through Vinted, so but as you can see in here, you get yourself, let's get this packaging out of the way, you get yourself obviously the build instructions. Everything is included on one board, so as you can see, it's all there ready for us. We just need to cut the cellophane off, and they're all numbered, so you've got all the little numbers there for the big spider there, and I'm really excited. You can see that they're going to be the eyes there. Oh, very exciting stuff. And then obviously in here you've got your instructions, so obviously that's the part that is in the body, and then the blue parts are the bits that tell us the new parts that are going into the main structure, and eventually you should end up something looking like that at the end. The big Aragog spider there. Very, very exciting stuff. I'm very, very happy with this because I'm a massive fan of Harry Potter. Just looking at that, I know it's not real, but looking at that just gives me the cringes. Ooh, don't like spiders. Why do they do this to us? But as you can see, Aragog is such a sort of like fierce looking spider, and he was basically Hagrid's pet. Unfortunately, Bobby Coltrane sadly passed away, I think it was last year or so. But also what you get, it's not just a case of, you know, just building the actual model. You get yourself a little book as well. So obviously if you're scared of spiders, now's the time to look away. But look at this fierce looking thing. It tells you all about how it was made in the films and stuff. And obviously with green screen and blue screen effects there, making it work with animatronics and stuff. Really, really fascinating how they used real mud and stuff. Arenia Exuma there, a spell of some sort. And then obviously various different things that are lighter than hair, all the animatronics to make it work. And yeah, so no strings attached apparently. Spider on a stick. So, and yeah, very, very interesting. So obviously as we know, when spiders die, what happens is their body will turn upside down and then their legs will fold in sideways to their abdomen, which is what you can see there. That's how you know when the spider is dead. Not always do they play do dead. Sometimes spiders do play dead, but 10 times out of 10 when they're dead, they will turn up, and as I said, they'll fold their legs inwards to their abdomen. I'm going to really enjoy wearing this. And then obviously quite a heartful scene there where Aragog dies and Hagrid says farewell to his beloved pet there. And yeah, this is packed with information. Really, really lovely. You know what I'm like, I don't keep books, so I read them, I destroy them, and then they go in the bin. So they get read, they shred, and go in the bin. I just don't have the facilities. I'm not the type of person that will read a book over and over again. Once I've read it, that's it, you know. And then obviously make it your own. What you can do as well is you can paint the spider. So you don't necessarily have to. You can have it looking like this, the natural wood effect. But you will need a brown, orange, black, white, and cream acrylic paint, paintbrush, toothpick, or fine detail. For the time being, I have no plans to do that. If I can source another one, the seller I got this from, I think, has another one. So if I can get hold of another one, I might do that. And then what I will do is perhaps see if we can tone it up a bit. I'm not sure if I've got the skill to do that because I've never done that before. I've done various painting things with gnomes and stuff, as you know, but if I could try and develop my skills a bit more on painting, that would be great. But you don't have to, as I said, you can have it as the wood effect, or you can tone it up a bit and make it look like that. But these are great little kits, and I thought this has got to be just amazing. So hopefully at the end of this we should have a spider looking like that, and then as I said, these are the parts that we've got, and then we should have a little spider called Aragog to go with our little deer there. As I said, I have got another one coming up, but I'm going to tease you for that and keep you surprised on that. But that is Aragog the spider. This will be coming to the channel on a Wednesday. So I hope you like that video. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. Tap the bell if you want to be notified of all the videos I do, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.